Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Khan Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write these problems and questions in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to add captions and subtitles to Instagram videos. But before talking about this issue, this topic, I just want to explain what is an Instagram caption. We all know about subtitles, but what is an Instagram caption? The Instagram captions are simply the text below your photo. When post a new Instagram photo, you have a text field, and here you can type in your quotes, your questions, and describing what you are currently doing, etc. And this is also where you include all your Instagram hashtags. And how to write Instagram captions? Writing a text under a photo is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is to think a bit creative, engaging, and let people know what they have to do. For instance, you are sharing your morning coffee, then you can write something like, enjoying my morning cup of coffee in Bali, and where are you currently sipping your coffee? For many occasions, you can also just describe your photo. For instance, you are currently hiking in a beautiful national park, and let people know how you get there and how much entrance fee it was if you're planning to camp on the peak, and so on. Many Instagram users use this app to get inspired for their next travels and be aware and share some useful insights. And you can just see an example here on the picture. We can just see a beautiful place there, and she just shared that a caption like, sometimes those unplanned trips, unplanned evenings, or unplanned locations turn out to be one of our favorites. Has that happened to you? So you can just interact with so many people with this question as well. And yeah, I think that's a good caption for this photo. And for the good Instagram captions, you need to brainstorm at first. The first step is to brainstorming would be doing some research on your own industry and users. Do your users and followers enjoy inspirational quotes, maybe more hard facts and information so they can use you as a travel guide? And try out what works best. Ask a question in one or your post. The next time you can write more information behind the photo. And this could be how to find this beautiful Instagram spot in Bali, for instance. And one thing is certain, many users actually read your text. Do not underestimate the value of your Instagram description, and this is a common mistake you should avoid. And good to know is that every account is different, and try to find your own voice and make your profile unique. Niche is key usually. If you love coffee, then share all about coffee in your account. So I actually found some captions, Instagram captions, and for example, for friends, if you love a friend, let them go. If they come back with coffee, it was meant to be. Or I like to hang out with people who make me forget to look at my phone. And you don't have to be crazy to hang out with me, I'll train you. And friends are like rainbows, always there to cheer you up after a storm. There are so many captions like that, and some funny captions also there are. And the other ones is like, for example, for selfies, like, I am not perfect, I'm original, and the only person you should try to be better than is the one you were yesterday. And me, myself, and I, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. I woke up like this, just me, and let me take a selfie, blah blah. There are so many options just like that. And maybe, yeah, question captions also you can use. Are you happy? Where do you travel next? If everyone else jumped off a cliff, would you do it too? What makes you happy? Etc. And there are some Instagram captions for summer, and less Monday, more summer, for example. My summer dress is waiting for me. And yeah, just like that. There are so many options while just writing that. Sometimes I think you should check on Instagram for inspiration, or on the internet. There are so many ideas on the internet actually. But I don't know if you have this feeling. Sometimes you're just thinking about the caption for hours and you're just like, what should I write now? And I just put a heart on the caption part and I just post a photo and that's it. But yeah, I think using captions is better, especially to interact with people. Yeah. And now I think you understood what the caption is, and we can just go on with how to add captions and subtitles to Instagram videos. Instagram's is all about captions, but unfortunately not the type of captions we're talking about. Instagram doesn't currently allow publishers to add closed captions to videos. And to get around this, you instead must encode or burn captions into the video itself before posting on Instagram. Encoding will create open captions that are always showing, and this can be done easily right from within your 3Play media account. When ordering caption encoding that you plan to use on Instagram, keep in mind that the preferred format for Instagram videos is MP4, and that Instagram will not allow you to post more than 60 seconds per video. So first step, create or upload a video transcript. Begin by logging into your 3Play media account, and from the upload tab at the top of the screen, select the method you are going to use to upload your video. From computer, from links, from linked account or cloud storage. Next, choose your video and follow the prompts. If you already have a transcript, if your video already has a transcript, you can simply align that transcript with the video to create open captions. After uploading your video, select Alignment in Options and follow the on-screen prompts. And yeah. And you can just see that on the picture. If you don't have an existing transcript, you'll need to order transcription for open captions. Upload your video and select English Transcription and Captioning in Options and follow the on-screen prompts. And you'll receive an email when transcription is complete. And second step is order open captions. Once your video transcript is ready, click on the file, go to Order and then Caption Encoding, and select Source with Open Captions, and click Next and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you want to create open captions for an MP4 video you've already transcribed in your 3Play media account, just click on the file, go to Order and then Caption Encoding, and select Source with Open Captions and click Next and follow the on-screen prompts, and you will receive an email when the caption encoded video is ready to download. And step 3, post your caption video on Instagram. So to upload a video to Instagram, first open the Instagram app on your mobile device, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, Then select library at the bottom of the screen and select the video you'd like to share. Once the video uploads, you'd like to share, and once the video uploads, you're ready to share. And that's it. And then, how to add subtitles to Instagram videos. If you want to add subtitles for other languages to your Instagram videos, submit your video for translation after it's been transcribed. And to do this, click on your video file from the My Files page, select Order, and then select Translation. Choose the language you want for your subtitles as well as the style of translation. And once your translation is complete, navigate to Translations under My Files and follow these instructions from step 2 above to encode subtitles into your video. Then continue to step 3 to post your video to Instagram. So, I think that's the end of it. I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And that's it for now. Yeah, thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. I'll talk to you all in another video very soon. Bye.